Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi egg roll, easy method. Whisk eggs and make a thin, flexible omelet to serve as the wrap. Press warm sushi rice gently and season it with rice vinegar and a pinch of salt. Lay your fillings in a neat line, roll tightly, and slice with a wet knife for clean pieces and even servings. Heat a non-stick pan and whisk 3 eggs with a pinch of salt and a splash of water until smooth. Pour a thin layer and tilt the pan so the omelet forms evenly and cooks gently. Remove while still slightly soft so it stays flexible for rolling. Cool briefly on a flat surface, then trim edges to make a neat rectangle that will wrap the rice and fillings without tearing. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp scent that pairs oddly well with fresh sushi vibes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider picking one up if you want a fun little upgrade. Now let's get back to the video. Place the omelet sheet on a clean surface and spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice, leaving the top edge clear to seal. Lay your fillings, cucumber, avocado, crab, or cooked fish, in a single line to prevent overstuffing. Roll tightly from the bottom, compressing gently as you go, and seal the final edge with a dab of rice or egg wash. Chill briefly for cleaner slices before cutting with a wet knife.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.